Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Brave browser on a Windows computer step by step. If you've already downloaded the Brave installer, the installation process is quick and easy. Let's begin. First, locate the Brave browser setup file that you downloaded. You can find it in your Downloads folder or by opening your browser's recent download history. Now, click on the Brave browser setup exe file to start the installation. If Windows displays a user account control message asking for permission, simply click Yes to continue. If Brave browser is not already installed on your computer, the installer will automatically begin downloading the required files and install the browser. This process usually takes only a few moments. If Brave is already installed, clicking the installer may simply open the Brave browser or confirm that it is already installed. This is completely normal and means the browser is already available on your computer. Once the installation is complete, Brave browser will launch automatically. You'll see the Brave home page, which confirms that the installation was successful. From here, you can start browsing the web immediately. You can also import bookmarks from another browser, sign in to your Brave account if you use one, or set Brave as your default browser for everyday browsing. As you can see, installing Brave browser on Windows is very simple and only takes a few minutes. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Windows tutorials, browser guides, and technology tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.